In this video, I want to share a simple idea that not many people know about. The process is very easy, but the result is truly unexpected. I mixed paint with baby powder, and you'll see for yourself how amazing the effect is. It may look like a small and simple trick, but the final result is surprisingly satisfying. Believe it or not, the outcome goes far beyond expectations. Simple, affordable, yet the effect is absolutely impressive. Here, I've prepared 2 paint colors, red and black, along with 4 empty containers. 2 of them are labeled mix. Each container will be filled with paint first. 2 containers contain red paint, and the other 2 contain black paint. Which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments. It's great to know that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Each container is filled with almost the same amount of paint. The paint I'm using is super glossy, so when applied, it creates a shiny, glossy effect. After all the containers are filled with their respective paint colors, it's time to add baby powder to the marked containers. You can use any brand of baby powder, it doesn't have to be a specific type. I add a fairly generous amount of baby powder to the container with black paint and also to the container with red paint. This is a simple idea that not many people know about. This method is often used by professional painters to achieve a different result while also saving costs. After adding the baby powder, I also mix a small amount of thinner into each container to maximize the final result. Next, stir the mixture until everything is fully combined. While mixing, you'll notice a different texture in the paint mixed with baby powder. It becomes thicker compared to regular paint. If the mixture feels too thick, you can add a small amount of thinner to achieve a smoother result. The most important part is to mix it thoroughly, because this is the key to the success of this simple yet amazing experiment. In the container with black paint, the texture also becomes thicker when stirred. However, even though the texture changes, this mixture does not affect the paint color. The color remains the same and does not change. Interestingly, this method can be applied to all paint colors, not just red and black. Next, I add a small amount of thinner to the containers with red and black paint that were not mixed with baby powder. And stir it again until the thinner fully blends with the paint. While mixing, you can clearly see the difference in texture compared to the first mixture I made earlier. This paint and thinner mixture has a much thinner, more liquid texture. And this is where the secret lies. In just a moment, you'll see the result of this simple experiment. But the final outcome is truly impressive and will amaze anyone who sees it. Now it's time to show you the special effect of the mixture I've made. This is a combination that not many people know about. As a first step, I'll apply the red paint mixture that has been mixed with baby powder. As a sample surface for applying the paint, I'm using a used water gallon container. You can see something interesting happen when this paint is applied to the surface of a used water gallon. The red paint, which was originally glossy, creates a completely different finish when combined with baby powder. The final result is no longer shiny, it turns into a matte finish. The color looks more unique and completely unexpected. With just a simple trick, glossy red paint transforms into a cooler, more professional-looking color. Now, I'm going to apply the red paint that was not mixed with baby powder. This is a glossy paint, and I only added a small amount of thinner to achieve a better result. When applied, you can immediately see the result. The painted surface looks shiny and glossy. This result is very different compared to the first application using paint mixed with baby powder. This second result shows the original factory finish of the paint, which is a glossy red. Now, I'm going to apply the third paint, which is black paint mixed with baby powder. You can immediately see the color that appears when this paint is applied. A stunning matte black finish that looks truly impressive. This kind of matte finish is often seen on luxury cars owned by only a few people. It gives a very elegant and exclusive look. Finally, I'm going to apply the black paint that was not mixed with baby powder. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe now. Join our growing community because we'll continue to share many more interesting and useful ideas. After all the painting process is complete, you can clearly see the difference. The result is truly significant. The combination of paint and baby powder creates a very elegant matte finish. Buying matte paint can be quite expensive, but with this method, you can easily modify the glossy paint you already have at home using baby powder. This technique can be applied to various surfaces, including car bodies, motorcycle parts, and even wood. This elegant matte finish proves that with creativity and a bit of knowledge, a simple and unexpected mixture can produce truly impressive results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was useful.